Hey, I'm Yams from PC Flipping Central, here to show you how to install your GAMDIAS CHIONE P3 360U all-in-one water cooler. First thing you're going to want to do is take everything out of the box and peel off any protective stickers. Find your correct mounting brackets and install them on your pump. There are brackets for all sorts of CPU socket types, so refer to the manual for yours. Personally, I'm using AM4, which requires me to screw on these brackets like so. If you have an Intel socket, this bracket will go on the back of your motherboard, but the steps from here on out are pretty similar. For my AM4 motherboard, I put this bracket on the back of my motherboard and attach these hexagonal screws. Next, install your fans. This may be different depending on your case, so make sure to figure out the best orientation for your fans so that everything can fit in your case perfectly. Use these long screws to attach your fans to your radiator. Make sure your fans are in the right orientation. The side with the grill on the fan is where the air gets pulled out, and the side without the grill is where the air gets pulled in. Screw your radiator into your case with these smaller screws. Apply your thermal paste to your CPU. There are some included in the box. Using these thumb screws, push your AIO pump onto your CPU and screw it in. Route all these AIO cables behind your case and prepare your fan hub. Attach any cables you may want to use, such as PWM control or ARGB control. Make sure the SATA cable is plugged into your power supply and your fan hub, as this is what provides power to it. Attach your pump cable and fan cables. Make sure the fans go in order, starting with the first slot and going to the third. You can attach the hub to the back of your case, as the hub is magnetic. Plug the USB cable into your motherboard's USB header and your PWM cable into your motherboard's fan header. Now turn on your computer. No worries if your display is upside down like mine, we will now download the software to be able to fix that. Go to gamdias.com/downloads and select your product. Download the software installer and go through setup. Here's where you can flip your display or change fan colors. There's a lot of options to control whatever you want. And now you're all done setting up your new water cooler. Have fun!